The Midnight Visitor. Most nights were quiet in David's house. He usually finished his homework, played guitar for a while, and then went to bed. But one Friday night was different. Just as he was about to turn off his lamp, he heard a strange noise outside his window. Tap, tap, tap. David froze. "What was that?" he whispered. Slowly, he pulled the curtain aside. At first, he saw nothing. Then, in the weak light of the street lamp, he noticed a shadow moving in the garden. His heart beat faster. Maybe it's a cat, or maybe something else. The noise came again. David quickly grabbed his phone and called his neighbor, Lisa. She was the same age as him and always curious about mysteries. "Lisa," David said quietly, "there's something in my garden. Come quickly." 2 minutes later, Lisa arrived at the back gate, holding a small flashlight. Together, they walked carefully toward the sound. The grass was wet from the evening rain, and the air smelled fresh but heavy. "Look," Lisa whispered, pointing at the ground. There were muddy footprints leading toward the shed at the corner of the garden. David swallowed hard. "Should we open it?" Lisa grinned. "Of course." "We have to know." With shaking hands, David unlocked the shed. The door creaked loudly as it opened. Inside it was dark and dusty. Old boxes and tools were piled up. They both stepped in cautiously. Suddenly, something moved in the corner. Lisa shone her flashlight. A pair of bright eyes reflected the light. "Ah!" David jumped back, but then a soft sound filled the shed. Meow. "It's just a kitten!" Lisa laughed with relief. A tiny gray kitten stepped forward, shivering from the cold. Its fur was wet, and it looked very hungry. David bent down and carefully picked it up. Poor thing, it must have been lost in the rain. They took the kitten inside the house, dried it with a towel, and gave it some milk. Slowly, the kitten started purring. Lisa smiled. "Well, mystery solved." "Your midnight visitor is a cat," David chuckled. "You scared me more than the kitten did." For the rest of the evening, they sat in the kitchen, watching the kitten explore the room. It climbed onto chairs, chased shadows on the wall, and finally curled up in David's lap. As the clock struck midnight, David whispered, "I think we just found a new friend." Lisa nodded. "Sometimes the scariest nights bring the sweetest surprises."